Community Health Connection is sponsored by Bronson Healthcare.
The patient should start considering seeing an orthopedic specialist when the pain starts to interfere with activities they enjoy. It could be things as simple as walking, going up and down stairs, sleeping, but it could be more advanced activities such as participating in light aerobic exercise, pickleball, those sorts of things. The first step is typically non-operative treatment, and this can include things as simple as medications, to physical therapy, to injections, to bracing, to activity modification, or even assistive devices. I tell people to think about what's your line in the sand. Once I can't do X, once it hurts too much to do X, that's it. I'm tired of dealing with it. It's time to start thinking about surgery. Joint replacement surgeries are performed at all of our major entities, including Bronson Methodist Hospital, Bronson Battle Creek Hospital, Bronson Lakeview Hospital, and of course the Bronson Orthopedic Surgery Center. We use multiple techniques, including computer-navigated and robotic-assisted techniques. These techniques allow us to optimize implant positioning to optimize patient outcomes. From the moment a patient signs up for surgery, there's an entire team of people that are helping prepare them for the procedure, will be present for them during the procedure, and then help take care of them after the procedure. So we have a program where we ensure patients are as medically optimized as they can be before moving forward with any surgery, so that we minimize our risk of any potential medical complications. You don't read an obituary and it says they lived a long, happy life and died of arthritis. It's not a life-threatening problem. It's truly a quality of life issue. I can take a joint that's been worn out, that's limiting someone, keeping them from doing the things they enjoy. I can remove those limitations by performing a joint replacement and getting them back to do the things that they can enjoy, so they have a better quality of life.
Get connected at bronsonhealth.com.